Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, this time I'm going to explain you about simple past tense. Well, we use simple past tense to express the past activity, and we use verb to after subject. Baik, dalam simple past tense kita gunakan kata kerja kedua setelah subjek. Kata kerja kedua ini ada dua macam, yaitu yang beraturan atau yang disebut dengan regular verb, yaitu pembentukannya adalah kata kerja pertama ditambah huruf D atau ED. Sedangkan yang irregular verb atau kata kerja yang tidak beraturan, perubahannya tidak teratur, maka harus dihafal. Contohnya seperti go menjadi went, have menjadi had, kemudian see menjadi saw, buy menjadi bought, sell menjadi sold, swim menjadi swam, dan seterusnya. Penggunaan simple past tense adalah untuk menyatakan perbuatan atau peristiwa yang terjadi di masa lampau atau masa lalu. Well, to make it clear, we should apply the sentence pattern in story or sentences. Listen to me carefully. After this story, I'm going to ask you some questions about it and about you. Are you ready? Listen to me now. Bill Rivera had dinner in a Chinese restaurant last night. After that, he went to a movie. He saw a western. He liked it very much. Then he went home. Now, the questions. Where did Bill Rivera have dinner last night? Then what did he do after that? Did he see a comedy? Did he see a war movie? What kind of movie did he see? Did he like the movie? Now, what about you? Where did you have dinner last night? What did you do after dinner? Did you enjoy your dinner? What did you do after that? Well, hopefully this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.